In this problem, we have to find the number of different ways of arranging letters in the word platoon. And first condition that is given that the two O's are never together. So let's take the case in which no condition is allowed. So here we are having the word that is given as platoon, and if you can observe here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 words are there. So we will write 7 factorial, and these two O's are identical. So here you will write 2 factorial. Now, if I'm saying that two O's are never together, which means that I will take the case in which two O's are together. So I will take the case in which two O's are together. I will make a group as one. And the rest of the word that is given as PLATN. Rest of the word is PLATN. So which means the total number of word that is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are having this one as 1. So you will write it as equal to 6 factorial. That's it. That's the thing that you have to write 6 factorial, because none of the word is repeating. So we will write it as equal to 6 factorial. So now if I want to find if two O's are never together, I can write it as equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial minus of 6 factorial. Once you will solve this one, you will get the value of 6 factorial by 7 by 2 minus of 1, which is equal to 6 factorial, 7 minus 2, 5 by 2 factorial, and that is equal to 720 multiplied with 5 divided with 2. So you will get 360 multiplied with 5. So 500, 5 6 are 30. You will get the value as 3. You will get the value as 0. You will get the carry as 3. 5 these are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So the answer that you will get, that is equal to 1800. Now the next question, I can find the same answer with the help of next concept that is given as, since we don't have to take this O together, so we are having PLATN, and we can place this 2O either on these places. So the total number of places that we have, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 places, we have to permutate these 2 places. And since both O's are identical, so we will write it as equal to 2 factorial. So we will get the value as 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, and that is equal to 6 multiplied with 5 divided by 2, and you will get the value as 15. And there's one more thing that you have to see, that is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are there, which doesn't have any will change itself. So we will write it as equal to 5 factorial, and you will get the value as 1220 multiplied with 15, and you will get the same answer, that is equal to 1800. So either you can use this concept or you can use this concept, both are same here. Now the next question that is given, that vowels and consonant occupied alternate places. So if you can see here, this is the P, L, T, N. If you can see, A, O, O will be here. See, this one can be arranged as 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 factorial, and A, O, O can be arranged with 3 factorial and divided with O factorial. And